Hello there guys and welcome to Student Meals. In today's episode, it's cocktail time. We're going to be making an Amaretto sour, a super delicious, sweet yet sour cocktail. I really recommend that you try this one, it's so good. I hope that you enjoy this episode. So, Amaretto sour. This is what you'll need. 8 centiliters of Amaretto of your choice, 2 centiliters of simple syrup, 2 centiliters of egg whites, 4 centiliters of lemon juice. This recipe is pretty sour, but also has a good sweetness to it. If you like it more sour, then you should use 4 centiliters of Amaretto instead of 8. And of course, some ice cubes. I have these ball-shaped ice cubes, but of course, you can use whatever shape you like. I'm sorry. Alright, let's do this. Let's take a shaker or a mason jar with a lid if you don't have a shaker and pour 8 centiliters of Amaretto in there. Followed by 4 centiliters of lemon juice, 2 centiliters of simple syrup. By the way, you can make this by using 1-to-1 ratio of water to sugar. So 1 cup of sugar to 1 cup of water and you have yourself simple syrup. And finally 2 centiliters of egg whites. Here I have some bottled egg whites, but you can use just plain old egg and separate the egg whites from the egg yolk and use that. Some people may be worried, oh my god, there's a raw egg in there. Don't worry, the lemon juice and the alcohol will take care of that just fine. Let's add the egg white. There we go. Finally, the ice cube. I spilled a little bit. Close your shaker and give it a really good shake. Of course, you can dry shake it first, meaning that you don't use ice and just shake it, then add the ice and then shake it again. But I find it to be a bit waste of a time, because if you shake it hard enough with ice, you'll get there anyway. Now just take a nice glass and pour your Amaretto sour in there. Let it sit for a bit so that the foam can rise and form a nice layer on top. And there you have it, a nice and frothy Amaretto sour.
Time for a test! Cheers! I love Amaretto sour. I love Amaretto, but this is just, I think it's actually like 10 times better because it's a bit sour, but not too sour. You still have the sweetness, and it's a bit fresh as well, and it tastes kind of creamy. I really love this. This is my go-to drink for a summer party or a barbecue, or even like in the winter time. So yeah, I'm going to finish this. Cheers! Thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed this episode, and as always, see you in the next one.